Hello, my name is Catharine Ellis. I am a weaver and a dyer. A number of years ago, I developed the process of woven shibori, where threads are woven into the cloth to form resists for dyeing. My work now is completely focused on the very special palette of natural plant dyes. For many years, all of my fabrics were hand-woven on my loom. I have shared this process of woven shibori with weavers, written a book, and taught classes. Because there were so many others who wanted to use this process, I began working with the Oriole Mill in North Carolina to make fabrics that anyone can use to achieve similar results. Woven shibori is based on stitched shibori. But instead of inserting threads with a needle to pleat and gather the cloth, all the threads are woven right into the fabric on the loom. These threads follow patterns that are controlled by the weave. The supplemental or pattern threads are pulled in order to pleat the fabric and form a resist for dyeing. These special fabrics are woven to my exact specifications. To prepare the cloth for dyeing, the first step is to go to one end of the cloth and tie the pattern threads in small groups of 3 or 4 threads in an overhand knot. This is to be sure that no threads are accidentally pulled out. When that step is finished, go to the other end of the cloth and slowly pull all the gathering threads with a smooth sliding motion in order to pleat the cloth. To be sure that compression is complete, go back and firmly but smoothly give another pull to each individual thread. It's a good idea to turn the cloth over to be sure all the threads have been pulled. Some of the excess thread may be cut at this point, but be sure to leave several inches of length. Next, small groups of threads are tied in a square knot. Make the knot tight against the pleated cloth. If the gathering threads are slippery, use a surgeon's knot, going through the loop twice. When all the knotting is finished, the compressed fabric bundle needs to be wetted out before dyeing. This can be done by soaking for several hours in warm water or by boiling for about 20 minutes. It's important that the pleats are wet all the way through. The fabrics are made from high-quality mercerized cotton, which dyes beautifully in natural dyes or fiber-reactive dye. Any dye process may be used to color the fibers, immersion dyeing or direct application. When the dyeing is completed, then the gathering threads may be carefully cut out and removed. This piece has been dyed in indigo. I will cut the small knots on one end and then pull the threads out, revealing the truly remarkable pattern in the cloth. The scarf is ready to wash, then I will sew a small hem and wear it. Have fun with your own process of dyeing woven shibori.